Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is the second lecture of the first week of Mathematics 2. In first lecture, we studied the system of linear equation in two variables. And today we will discuss that how to find out the solution set by using the graphical method if the system of linear equation is given. So, few steps which needs to remember. That first you have to make y separate on one side, means that eliminate y on one side in each equation, and then you can put the values of small values of x in the given equations to get the small values of y, and then you will make the ordered pairs. After making the ordered pairs, then you will draw the ordered pairs of both the equations. So as I mentioned that each equation representing what? A straight line. So when you will draw the equations, when you will draw the graph of both the equations, so you will have two straight lines. So maybe the two straight lines will intersect each other at a single point. Maybe the two lines are parallel, and maybe the two lines are same. So we will have three conditions. First, we will have single point of intersection, means that one solution. Second, we will have no solution if the lines are parallel, so they will not intersect each other. And the third one is that if we have the same line, so we will have infinite solution. Now if you see, here we have an example to find out, solve means to find out the point of intersection of these two equations. Two equations are given, this one and this one. First you have to eliminate y. You have to separate y on one side. Okay, not eliminate, but you have to shift. You have to shift y on one side. It should be alone on one side. Okay, not eliminate. Sorry for that. So then you will put some values of x, like I did 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 3 in this equation. So you will get some values of y. Look at, if we put the value of x 0, so 1 minus 0, 1, you will get the value of y 1. If we put 1 instead of x, so you will have the value of y 1 minus 1, which becomes 0. Like this. By this procedure you will get some pairs. These are called ordered pair. The first value representing the value of x, the second value representing the value of y. And after getting the 4, 5 or 6 ordered pair, then you will get some other ordered pairs of the second one by doing the same procedure. If you shift y to another side, so it will become plus, and if you shift 3 to another side, so it will become minus. So this equation will become in this shape. After that, you will put some values of x, like here I did. If I put x equal to 0, so y will become minus 3. If I put x equal to 4, so 4 minus 3, it will become 1. So 0 and minus 3. And if you put here 4, so it will become 4 minus 3, it will become 1. So 4 and 1. Then if you put 2, so 2 minus 1. And if we put minus 2, suppose, if you put minus 2, so minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2 and minus 5. And if you put 2, so it will become minus 1. And if you put minus 1, so it will become minus 5. Now if you, minus 4. Now after getting these ordered pairs, then you have to draw and to check that they are intersecting each other or not. So you have to draw the xy plane like this. This is origin, x-axis, y-axis, x bar axis, and y bar axis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. Now if you draw these ordered pair, minus 1 for equation 1, if we draw the ordered pair of equation 1, So 0 and 1, x0, y1, this is the first point. Then 1, 0, x1, y0, x1, y0, this is the second point. Then -1 and 2, x minus 1 and y2, this is the third point. Then 2 and -1, x2, y minus 1, this is the fourth one. Then 3 minus 2, x3, y minus 2. So here the fifth one. And -3 minus 4, x minus 3, y minus 4. X minus 3 and y4, sorry, x minus 3, y4, it will be above here. Now if you join these points, so you will get the straight line of the first equation. Here you will write the equation x plus y equal to 1. After that you will put some, you will draw the values of another equation, like 0 minus 3, x0 and y minus 3, this is the first point. Then 4 and 1, x4, y1, x4 and y1, y1. Here we have another point. Then -2 minus 5, x minus 2 and y minus 5, -2 and -5, this is the third point. And then 2 and -1, x2, y minus 1, again this point. And then -1 and 4, x minus 1 and y, x minus 1 and y becomes -4. So x minus 1 and y minus 4, this is the last one. If you join these points, so you will get a point of intersection. And from here also you can see that this point is common in both. So if this ordered pair is common, and so if this ordered pair is common in both the equation, it means this will be the solution set. This is the point of intersection. This is x minus y equal to 3 line. So where they are intersecting each other, x1 and y, x2 and y minus 1, x2, y minus 1. This is the point of intersection. So by this way, you can find out solution set is equal to 2 and -1. So this is the way that how you can get the solution set by graphical method. You can search the examples which will be given in the notes. Okay. See you inshallah in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.